was born in Miramar. I was about 18 months old when we came to the UK, so really little.
Grew up in Taranaki until I was about 4. And then when I was 4 years old, my parents relocated us to London, United Kingdom.
We all grew up knowing we were Māori. My dad was raised sort of, he didn't speak still Māori, was really proud to be Māori, but I think during his childhood it wasn't always the way.
One of those things that I've wanted to do for a really long time, and especially after university.
I remember looking it up and reading about it and going, I can really see myself doing it. This is really what I want to do. I knew that if I did this, that I would feel another level of fulfillment about knowing my ideal.
My expectations are kind of being like humbled, I'd say, quite early on.
And it was all kind of coincidental. It was never planned that the three of us were going to go together. I couldn't think of better people to be doing this with.
The most ready I've ever felt to come home, basically. And there weren't many times in my life where I thought, I can live in New Zealand. But I felt it, and then I thought, I'm going to grasp onto this and hold it and just go with it, because I haven't felt that feeling before, about wanting to come home and live here, but it felt very right.
I just felt like sort of living and breathing it every day for a whole year will just be awesome.